We're here. Welcome to our 2022 Disney trip vlogs. We just got to, where are we? Pop Century. And we are heading to the Skyliner to go to Epcot. Our room is not ready yet, so I will show that a little bit later. It's gonna look a lot like it did the last time we were here. Anyway, yeah, we're just gonna have a really nice day in Epcot, so we'll check back in on the Skyliner. Okay, we are in Epcot. We just got in, and if you guys didn't know, it's the Flower and Garden Festival right now. This is day 1 of 2 at Epcot for us. So today we're gonna probably focus a little bit more on the food and drinks. We're with Brandon's aunt, Kathy, and Uncle John. And so we're just looking to have a good day with them. It's gonna be really chill, really fun. It is gorgeous outside. It's like 75. Is it like 75 out?
I don't even think it's 75 out yet. It's like
so nice. It's usually so hot when we come to this park. It's just absolutely gorgeous.
70 degrees and partly cloudy.
70 and partly cloudy. So our focus today is going to be on the food, and we're also going to be using my Touring Plans app, which shows me all the ride times and the projected waits versus what they have posted. So we're going to be telling you guys how accurate that is today. I'm very curious, and I think we're going to try and potentially hit Remy's first. Neither of us have been on it yet. It's posted 80-minute wait, but I have to check Touring Plans, and I'll let you know what that one says, what the projected wait is. If you guys don't know, Touring Plans is a subscription service. You don't necessarily have to subscribe to the whole service, but I have it for reservations. I have the app for line predictions and stuff. So today we are projected to be at a 10 out of 10 for crowd levels. We'll see how that goes. Yes, we took our Dramamine. What is it, Dramamine?
Dramamine.
Yeah. And we're heading over to France now. So Touring Plans has it projected for Remy's as a 56-minute wait instead of the posted 80. So we will let you know if that's actually a thing. So show them, this is the passport for Flower and Garden.
Yeah. We're looking at France right now.
Oh, they have the beignets.
Yeah.
I don't know what I want. None of these are jumping out at me. Except for the slush. We know we want to get the rosé slush.
It's not even on there. Oh, there it is. Rosé frozen slush.
Yep.
That's pretty good.
It's good. So we just got taken off of Remy's. We got all the way to the front, and the ride broke down literally as we were about to get on it. It was 63 minutes on the nose, which is what we had as a prediction. It had actually changed once we got in line. Touring Plans is pretty accurate, it seems. So we're gonna be following that for the rest of the day. And now I think we're gonna head over and potentially get some food. If that changes, I'll let you know.
That's so good.
Alright, we got the corn from Flavorful over by Figment. Looks very good. Strawberry mousse.
With chocolate pearls or something. I don't know.
And you got gummy worms.
Yeah, I don't eat gummy worms, but that's okay.
I'll eat them. So we just had the corn. We're heading over to Soarin'. The posted wait is 35 minutes. Expected is 26. So not bad at
corn
all.
was good. Not my favorite.
The corn we got in 2019 had more butter on it, buttery spread. This was more just herby and garlic. But it was still good.
Mousse. My aunt got the strawberry mousse. It was delicious. There you go.
Yeah, it was very lightweight, like light and refreshing and fluffy. So heading to Soarin' now, and we will come back after and let you know how long it took us. Soarin' ended up being a 20-ish minute wait. Definitely shorter than posted, but not that much shorter. We're now on Living with the Land, and it's posted at 15, but it's supposed to be 9 minutes. So far, the line is moving a lot, so I would say that that's going to be pretty accurate. So Living with the Land was about a 5-minute wait as opposed to 15.
Watch your step and lower your head. If you watch your step and lower his head, boy.
All right, we are headed to Figment. Posted wait is 25 minutes. Expected is 12. I'm gonna bet that that's probably right. Figment's never usually more than like
Figment's always a
5. So we're gonna go do that and then regroup from there. I don't know if we're gonna do Test Track or not.
I don't know.
We'll have to see what the wait's at.
Get some food, and then Remy's.
Right, we have our lightning lane for Remy, so we need to go back to do that at some point.
Yeah.
Probably soon, yeah.
Yeah.
Don't want to wait too long. We need the poo. Figment was 10 minutes.
Yeah. Posted time was 15.
No, 20.
Oh, 20.
Yeah, posted time was 20. It was about 10. I don't know what our plan is now. Are we going to, I don't know, the countries or Test Track?
We gotta talk to Tent and see what they want to do.
Yeah.
She wanted food, so
Oh, okay.
we might want to go to Italy, but they might leave. I don't think they're gonna stay for the fireworks.
Okay.
Sounds tired. I told them we'll go back with them though.
Okay. So we might go back to the resort, check in, get our, or we're already checked in, but go in, bring our stuff to our room, and then come back.
Yeah.
But we gotta do Remy because we all have
Right.
passes
We
for
would
Remy.
do that. We can go do eat at Italy, do Remy, and
Okay.
then see where they're at.
Okay. So we are going to Test Track. It's a posted 75-minute wait. It's an expected 60-minute wait. And it's expected to go down, but we think that that might mean it's gonna go down during the show tonight, which we wanna watch. So we don't wanna wait too long to ride it. We're just gonna wait the hour and see if it's actually an hour. We're also gonna potentially check out some booths up at the front here if there's any like snacks we want, but heading to Test Track right now as our main objective. We're still in line. There was a delay with the ride, so the ride was shut down for about 25 minutes, but we're moving now. So I'll update you guys on the wait after we get off, but I am gonna figure this part in.
This looks normal. No, I was thinking it was this.
Wow.
Right here, right here, right here. That's good. That's good. That's equal. That's equal. No, not make it equal. Not make it equal. Right there. Okay, no, back.
Alright, is that it? Wow. Oh man. Okay, so even with the delay, it took about an hour and 15 minutes total to get on and off the ride. So it ended up being not terrible even with the delay, which was about 25 minutes. So we are off of there now. We are heading back over to France, and we're going to go on Remy's with our lightning lane that we got this morning and hopefully get some food. All right, we are walking into France to get back on Remy's.
Round 2. Trying to get on Remy's.
2.
But we have a fast pass.
Yeah, we have lightning lane. So I don't know what the posted wait is. We'll have to see when we get up there. But comparison, I'm estimating this to take 5 to 10 minutes to get on probably with lightning lane. So we will report back. Okay guys, the regular line is 160 minutes. So yeah, I'm glad we have the lightning lane. Status update, got on Remy's in about 10 minutes and it was not worth any wait longer than 60. So that's just my personal opinion, but right now the wait is 160 minutes and I would never wait that long. Very cute, but not my favorite ride by any means. So now we are heading to get some dinner. So we're heading to America and Italy. We're gonna get kind of a smattering of things and meet up, and I will show you guys what we get. All right guys, I got the moonshine sour again. Looks delish. Brandon is picking up our mobile order food right now, and I'll show you guys that after. So this is the kids' red meal from the Regal Eagle Smokehouse. We did mobile order. Brandon got 2. They're $8.99 a piece. You get 2 sides and a couple little ribs. It's actually a very good deal for what you get, for sure. How's your drink?
Very good.
Yeah.
So you can order 2 drinks per person. You're allowed to have 1 drink in each hand, is how the bartender explained it.
Good to know.
That's what I
Why?
told him.
Did you show him my ID?
I did. He's like, I only need 1. You can have 2 drinks per person. He goes, if she was with you, you could have 4.
That would be a lot of moonshine sour. And we got some pizza from the Italy Pavilion, from the outside one.
Taglios. That's what it's called. Taglios. Taglios.
Taglios. Okay. And those were like $8 a piece, right? Nice. They're
$8.75 for pepperoni.
$8.75 for the pepperoni. They're pretty big.
Yeah, you can.
Greetings from Pop Century. We are now in the room. We came over from Epcot on the Skyliner and said bye to Brandon's aunt and uncle, and now we're here. We're all checked in. We're on the ground floor for the first time ever. In the 50s section. Last time we were in the 70s, and this time we're in the 50s, so that is cool. Or were we in the 80s? I can't remember. 70s or 80s. We're on the other side of the resort, so this is different. And we actually have a nice little walking path out here straight to the Skyliner, so we won't have to walk into the middle of the resort and then to the Skyliner. It'll just be a nice, easy walk around by the water, so that'll be nice. I did a room tour in our last vlog when we went last March, because we stayed here. So if you guys are interested in a room tour, go and check that out. This is essentially exactly the same except in reverse. But all the same decorations and everything. You can kind of see it behind me. Murphy bed, we've got the desk over here. The bathroom behind me with the attached toilet and shower room. It's super basic, but we really like just nice, simple, you know, affordable. And the Skyliner is a huge perk here. That's why we decided to stay here again, is because last time we stayed here, the Skyliner was easily the best perk of this resort. By far. It's so fast. Like, getting to Hollywood Studios and Epcot is the easiest thing ever. You do not have to wait for a bus. The buses, you know, you're on the bus is stopping at stoplights, all that stuff. The Skyliner is straight, direct, like no stops, nothing. So we absolutely love that about this resort, and obviously Art of Animation across the way has it as well. They share a Skyliner. So yeah, we're just kind of unpacking our food, putting everything in our fridge for the week, and we're going to be kind of freshening up, just taking a few minutes, and then we're actually going back to Epcot tonight to watch the fireworks show because we haven't seen the new show yet, and I'm very excited to see it. And we're also probably going to get like another drink or so and maybe do Spaceship Earth because we completely forgot to do it earlier.
Forgot to do it. And it was a short wait. It wasn't.
I know, we walked right by it without even thinking about it because we were so worried about Test Track, and the Test Track was like slow and broken down, and we all got distracted, and we were like, oh, we gotta go eat. So we're maybe gonna do Spaceship Earth or any of the other attractions that have a lower wait tonight. We haven't done Frozen either, but that one always has a ridiculous wait, so we'll see. So that is the plan for right now, and we will check back in when we're headed back to Epcot. All right, we're set up for the fireworks.
Yep.
Right outside France. We're just over the bridge. We're on the bridge, actually.
Between France and United Kingdom.
Yep. And we're excited. You've never seen the show before.
Yeah, we got our Ottawa Apples in Canada.
A crowd favorite.
Classic.
Yeah, we're just really excited. Oh, people just next to us just left. Should we move up? Or do you want to just stay here? Oh, you need to stay here. I don't care.
You can slide down because the bushes are here. You can see probably a little better.
Okay. And we've moved about 5 feet over.